Here. Oh, uniform ni sila ba? Red team ni sila, red team. Nice. Yeah, we've been here before. Uy! This girl, that what she said.
This girl is stronger than me.
Uy, what you doing? Ezekiel, don't be crazy.
Pouches to do coffee pouches, so now they stick to turn left.
Okay. Do you pull? This doesn't. This is definitely not the place.
Okay.
Is there parking on that left side?
You'll see us standing here.
Wow, nice. Nights of lights. Right there, mommy, picture you. Tias, look at here. Look at here. Yep, I did it.
No, the chips.
I thought when I hear names of towns I'm not familiar with, I really assume it's just somewhere.
Ano siya, pagsulod ay noon sa ni. Sa ni na purma. Yes. Muna siya ang video bomb.
Oh, that's a
What's
dragon.
this? Oh, the dragon?
That's a dragon getting.
Oh, that one is a dragon. That's pretty.
We can't see it.
Nice. Hey. What? Hi, look. Woo!
How high was that?
Woohoo! Oh. Yeah? Woo!
This is a fairy village. With
Aw.
little fairies.
Little fairies. Look at those guys. Crazy minions. Cheese. Yay, that's nice.
Did you get?
But look at here. Hello. Hi. So cute. Look at this. Oh. Nasa dito. Oh. Ayan siya, guys. Another elf. Look, Eloise. Oh, dragon.
You see a dragon?
It's cute in there. Oh, this is pretty cool here. You see him, Matthias? Oh, with eggs in there. Scary man.
Can you even see this place, Steven?
But Uy! They have a nice fire here. It's good a fire, Ezekiel.
The fire.
Don't touch the fire.
Glowing. Oh, yeah.
Hala! Yan. Beer area na siya, beer area. Is that Eloise? Hello, scary. Pirates Pub.
All disappointed.
Hello. Take a picture. Very nice. Say, look at good Eloise on. It's gonna be.
I was not.
Say cheese to Uncle Jeremy, Eloise. Did it record now? Let's go.
I know.
Siya doon eh, oh. Yang kuan. So. Get this. Nice. Oh. Uy. They're gonna have nightmares. Lunch. Uy. But look, Ezekiel, it's right there. Inside. Go, Matthias, Ezekiel. Dancing naman na, oy. Dali, come here. Don't be scared. The Grinch. Not man, ay.
Oh, this thing over here was awesome.
Auntie Jessica got you. Because last time when he tells you the other one. Come on. Yay!
Oh, you want to go see the snowman?
Okay, come on.
Come on. I do right there. Cheese. Okay. Here.
Good spot too. We blocked
Yeah.
all those people from nothing.
It's with
Do you guys
Nick.
want to try those?
Zeke.
Eloise.
Was that?
They unplugged it. One of those kids, I think, tripped over the extension cord. Oh, yeah, because that one went up too.
Oh.
Enough light to get that smile. You can kind of see.
Sea Song Designs. Wanna go? Wanna go, Pao?
I don't want that.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Are you staying warm?
I love your pants. Is that Daisy Duck on them? Yeah. My cousin Ariel, you know. Yeah,
Go
you
take
sit
picture.
right there.
Come on, go take a picture with cousin. Then yung another elf. Go dito dali. No, no. That's scary, Luis, or not? Nice tree. Oi! Oi! Penguins, penguins.
You get one, I'll get one.
Another penguin?
Pretty. No. Go inside. Come here. Oi. Ako. Boy, purple room.
Hey, Eloise, it's another step. At least that one's a tiny go.
Hello.
The one we had to go up.
Yes, it's only a step.
Ay! Oi!
It's like you're shaking salt in your mouth. Oh, okay.
Oh, look, an elf.
Oh, Matthias and Elf.
Oh, it's right there. Matthias, look. You see it? It's a ninja elf. Like the bird guy. The reindeer? Hi, reindeer. Hi, reindeer. Oh, we have an igloo here.
Oh, you want to win a Kelsey Jonesy?
Yeah.
Now you're going to want to stop right about an inch from the bottom.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, they're not going to stick back together. It's all right. We can do something with this. Take place one in front of the other like that. Okay? You're going to start tearing it from the top to the bottom so you get smaller pieces of tibia. Okay?
Look at Matthias. Look at Ezekiel. Oh, Ezekiel's right there.
There you go.
Oh.
So you're going to wad it up into a little
Hey, go
ball.
there closer, Nak.
I use both hands. Sometimes it's easier. All right. Now comes the fun part. You ready?
Hello. Fun part. It was in the mouth.
Abracadabra.
Why?
Abracadabra. I don't feel our jelly feeling here.
Look.
Huh? Hey now. Open it up. Show everybody it's back together.
Oh.
Put it back in. Okay. Here, let me tell you. One more time. You ready?
Look.
All you gotta do, tell me if I play this hand or this hand, okay? On the line.
It did, sorry.
Go. Really full strength, right? Same thing. Hour and an hour. Count it down. I don't feel like going down here.
Where are we going?
Feel it. Uh-huh.
Wait, look at. Oh. Look. Whoa. That's long. Whoa.
Thank you very much.
Was it nice?
Nice. That fun?
All right, one more time, okay? You're going to stand face the audience. We've got a bigger wad of paper here, okay? Now, put that in your mouth. No, I'm kidding.
That's a
All right,
lot.
watch very closely. Are you watching close this time? Okay? Now watch close. All you got to do is tell me if I put it in this hand. Actually, you know what? I'm going to keep it safe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this hand, and I'm going to lodge my hands up so you can, and you're going to do a really cool trick with this, okay? All right, so all you got to do is I'm not going to put it in this hand. I'm actually going to put it in this hand. Okay? Yeah, blow on it really, really hard.
Chalk.
Blow
Huh?
really, really hard.
Look,
Toilet paper.
gone.
Let's give Ari a big round of applause, everybody.
Handmade koan, bottle opener.
And from what we've been told, for our jewelry and everything, we're cheaper than everyone else. Yeah. For the same things. Yeah. So, I'm not
Just be careful mo ha, there's a jewelry here.
What do you say?
60, 80. I wear the same.
Look at this one.
Oh no, my ring, I replaced the ring twice because the ring gives out before the necklace. From
Pretty
wear
cool.
and tear.
What daddy? A tooth?
Daddy will get that.
Do you have the other whole can?
I hear you.
No, it's gone.
I had a handful of I replaced it. I had a handful
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.